Alright, so this is going to be how to reset your engine oil life light on your BMW E38. And this is going to be per my BM2i CarSoft. So the key must be off. Press and hold the trip odometer button, left button. There's going to be two of them in there. The one on the right is your check button, the one on the left is the trip odometer button. So press and hold. Turn the key to the first position. You'll see a message display, oil service with reset. Service is due shown in reset. Okay. Oops. One too many pages. It says the code minimum consumption, limit reached. Reset is not shown, the minimum has not been reached. Press and hold the reset button again until the word reset begins to flash. While the display is flashing, press the left button briefly to reset the service interval. The display is shown. A new interval following will appear. End SIA. System will only reset again after 2.48 gallons have been consumed. Okay, well, since the last time I reset this was over a year ago, we've consumed more than 2.5 gallons. So, let's do this. Alright, I got you guys mounted up in here. Hopefully we can see. So, press and hold, and then turn the key in the on position. The thing just bounced back on me. Oops. This first one's a little bit trickier to get to than you would think. Okay. Aha. Alright. Now we press and hold again until we start flashing. And then press. Oil service is now reset. Boom, done. And to confirm, let's pull that out, press it in, and all the green ones on the left should be illuminated. And they are. And that is how you reset your oil level lights on your BMW E38.